G7 3-in-1 Coffee is a gourmet instant coffee that tastes as rich and full as a freshly brewed cup. In fact, instant coffee avoids the burnt flavor that you can experience with brewed coffee. This instant mix is extracted directly from coffee beans, which provides a better cup of coffee than traditional freeze-dried coffee crystals. One of the very best instant coffees is G7 by Trung Nguyen Coffee. Trung Nguyen is a Vietnamese business group that produces, processes, and distributes coffee. It is the largest domestic brand of coffee in Vietnam and exports to over 60 countries. This brand was founded in 1996 and has since launched a variety of popular products. G7 3-in-1 Instant Coffee is one of their most popular instant beverages. The flavor of this instant coffee is absolutely exquisite, especially if you like your coffee rich with a little sugar and cream. One of the notable characteristics of this coffee is the wonderful aroma that this coffee gives off. There is not much of a bitter taste from this coffee since there is a good amount of sugar and cream. There is a moderately high level of caffeine in each pouch, which can give you a nice burst of energy if you choose to drink this in the morning. Needless to say, this is not an average instant coffee. It is a superior instant beverage that is delightful to enjoy anytime and anywhere. For each 16-gram packet, there are 72 calories, 2.4 grams of total fat, no cholesterol, 44 milligrams of sodium, 12.5 grams of carbohydrates, half a gram of fiber, 12 grams of sugar, and no protein. Quality and safety are assured since all G7 products are independently tested by third-party labs in Germany and Malaysia. This coffee can be stored for up to 2 years, since it expires 2 years from its date of manufacture. To prepare a strong instant coffee, you can mix one 16-gram sachet with 6 ounces of hot water. For iced coffee, use 4 ounces of hot water to dissolve the mix. Then pour over ice to chill. For a larger mug-sized serving, use 2 packets. For ultimate convenience, you should enjoy this G7 3-in-1 coffee. It is perfectly balanced and is easy to take with you in a bag or purse. It can also be enjoyed during a camping trip since it is so simple to prepare. Here I have one of the packets and I'll open it up and show you how to prepare it. I'll prepare this coffee hot. Here, you can see how the coffee looks and how it swirls in the mug. It smells really great and it tastes amazing. I highly recommend this instant coffee and I hope you'll try it out.
Enjoy. Bye bye.